Great swing, and the race is on. Bahala na. From the outside, moving up is Speed Bullet. It's now Speed Bullet. Bahala na. Happy morning. Down on the inside is Soul Provider. Rising up is Pride of Cabanela. On your knees, second last, and Famous Girl is the early trailer. It's now Speed Bullet back ahead. Soul Provider down on the inside. Pride of Cabanela. Happy morning is racing import. Then comes On Your Knees. Bahala na. And Famous Girl. Rounding the far turn, Speed Bullet. Happy morning on the outside. And rushing up Pride of Cabanela. Soul Provider. On Your Knees. Bahala na. And Famous Girl. As they race the final corner, three runners fighting now for the lead. Happy morning from the outside. Pride of Cabanela making room down on the inside is On Your Knees. Happy morning On Your Knees. Pride of Cabanela. Bahala na is on the further outside. But still happy morning by some 2 lengths now. And finally the icebreaker. Happy morning. Bahala na, Pride of Cabanela, close, Famous Girl, On Your Knees, Speed Bullet, and Soul Provider.